I don't speak English, but I want my message to reach as many people as possible. That's why this voice is synthetic, created with AI, but everything you'll hear is my real story, real experience, real survival. Episode 13, Essential Items I Took With Me. Most of the items on this list were stored in my main backpack, the one I never left behind. If I stepped out of the car, that backpack came with me, always. Here's my list with short explanations. Multitool, Leatherman, Charge, TTI, Plus, Bit, Kit. Take it everywhere. Mountains, city walks, road trips. A reliable, multifunctional tool. Leatherman, Tread, Bracelet 1, of the few tools allowed on airplanes. Never had issues. Didn't think I needed it until I had it. Highly recommended. Knife. Moracniv, Mora, Basic 5. 1-1 must be sharp and simple. Not something you're afraid to use. Mine is over 5 years old. Holds its edge well. Notebook with critical info. Keep, passwords, contacts, GPS coordinates, all encoded with a personal system, e.g., reverse upper lowercase, swap digits, etc. Develop your own method. Small flashlight, Fenix E05 compact, durable, rechargeable, always on me. Basic first aid, kit covered in a separate episode. Laptop for me, non-negotiable, always comes with me. Charging cables plus car adapter for phones and other electronics. Axe. Fiskars, X7 small, lightweight and reliable, kept in the car. Metal mug, GSI, outdoors, foldable handles. Fits perfectly with a Nalgene bottle. Water bottle, Nalgene, 1 liter. Durable, leak-proof, odor-resistant. Sewing kit, just a few needles and thread. Even hotel kits work. Solar, power, bank self-explanatory. Make sure its output matches your devices. Gas burner, Covea, plus adapter for different canisters. Gas canisters bring whichever works with your burner. Camping cookware, plastic metal, plus lightweight kettle plus. Pan especially useful for families. Lightweight and packable. Duct tape, reinforced and regular. Universally useful. Never leave without it. Collapsible water container light, compact, and incredibly practical. Everything here is based on experience. Gear I personally used. No fluff, just function. Always be ready. Stay with me a bit longer and just reflect on everything you've just heard. You need to have a plan.